How to see your reposts on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok.
Music! We need music!
And say, for example, that you have reposted some videos and you wanted to find them. You wanted to find all of your reposts in one place. So let's go ahead and, for example, repost a video. Say, for example, let me find a good one.
When I saw you,
This one, actually. So let's click on the share button and repost this one. Once the video has been reposted, let's go ahead and repost another one. Say, for example, this one. Okay, we have reposted two videos. Where we will be able to find them? It's very simple. Click on the profile icon at the bottom right. And here from the menu list, as you can see, you have your video that you've posted, the saved videos, the liked videos, and here you will see these two arrows next to the liked videos, the two arrows tab, which is the repost icon. Click on it, and here you will be able to find all of the videos that you have reposted. So here's the first one and the second one, including my old reposts. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can um see and find and check your reposts on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.